What's going on, guys, and welcome back to Baker's DIY Lifestyle. So you can see behind me we have got a lot of the Mustang put back together, but throughout these videos I have not created an intro or an outro for any of the videos because I wasn't exactly sure how long the videos were going to be and what sections of the video you were going to see. So I've kind of just been working and filming everything, putting it all back together. But in this video today, what you are going to see is the replacement of the radiator. So there was actually a lot that went into swapping that radiator out, and the video ended up being a lot longer than I thought it was going to be. I thought I was going to be able to do the radiator and putting the header panel back on in one video, but it just worked out that it's going to be better to do the radiator, and then the next video you watch will be just the radiator support when we put it back on. So throughout the course of these videos you should be able to see the entire teardown, replacement of everything, and fixing of the front end of this Mustang to get it back roadworthy. We are almost complete with it. So if you are following this journey or you're just getting started, definitely hit the subscribe button. And I have a playlist of all the videos of the Mustang. So if you would like to see it from the very beginning, from when it was wrecked all the way to the end, be sure to check out that playlist, and I will put a card at the top of the screen for that so you can get there. But with that, we'll get into swapping out this radiator. All right, so that is all we have for today. I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and I hope that you learned something. If you've got a radiator to swap out, maybe you're upgrading the radiator in your Mustang GT. Now that the radiator is done, the next video is going to be all about the radiator support and seeing how far I can get in that video, but we should be able to show you exactly how to get the radiator support on and possibly the fenders. That's actually what I'm working on today, and getting the front end back together. So again, just depending on how long the videos are, it will decide what exactly you see in each video. But I thank you guys for checking out the channel and watching all the videos. Be sure to hit that like button and hit the subscribe button if you like what you're seeing and you want to see a lot more do-it-yourself projects. But with that, I will see you guys in the next video.